this video, I'm going to replace the fill tube grommet on the 69 Grommet wagon. Alright, so let me show you what you got to take loose to get the fill tube out. Just to get your bearings, there's the rear end, there's the fuel tank. On the wagon, the fill tube comes in from the quarter panel and into the back of the tank. That's the rubber grommet we got to replace. That's what's leaking. This hose does not look good. So I got to see if I can buy another one. They probably don't make it for a wagon, but they probably make something, because I think we replaced one on the Belvedere as well. Anyway, so we're gonna pull this loose, pull this guy out, pull the tube out, change the grommet, put it all back together, and then I'll replace this later. That sucks. That's ruined. Looks like I'm replacing that sooner than I thought. Alright, so I want to grease this up so we get a nice seal against the fuel tank. Don't want to throw it in dry. Well, it's probably the worst grommet I've ever had in my life. That thing was bad. I'm surprised it didn't leak worse than it did, but yeah, there was pretty much nothing holding it together. Fuel was just coming right out. The fill tube's no better. It looks like it's about 2 inches in inside diameter. I went on O'Reilly's website, looked up what they had, found a Gates hose. I'll post the part number here. It's not going to get here till 5 o'clock. We'll go get it, and hopefully it fits the car and works, and we're back in business. All right, so I picked up the gas fill tube hose from O'Reilly's. I think it's going to work just fine. Check it out. Here's the part number, 24717, gas filler neck hose. It's obviously a little bit on the long side, but I'm just going to trim it, cut it to my length that I need, and put it on. All right, that's what I need. I'm gonna try to cut it just a little bit extra to get just a hair longer than I need. Stuff is tough. Put a little smear of grease in here so everything slides on real easy and has a nice good seal. All right, moment of truth. I'm gonna get some gas poured in the tank. We'll see if it leaks. far so good. Still good. No leaks here. Alright, good. I think we can call that fixed.